If your hair is breaking and you're having splitting issues, then this is the video for you. My family and I have used this oil treatment to reduce breakage and split ends, also to improve our hair density or thickness. The first thing that I do is get my salon bowl and I fill it with hot water from my kettle. I then add my bottle with my pre-made oil mixture to the hot water, and on screen are the different oils that I use in the mixture. My hair is low porosity, therefore I choose oil based on my hair type. So you don't want to just choose the oil because somebody is using it, but you choose it based on your hair type in order to get the maximum benefits. I am sectioning my hair for manageability and to have easy access to my scalp. I do my hot oil treatment on dry hair, and I do that right before I shampoo so as to reduce build up. Here I am applying the oil to my scalp, the length of my hair and ends. Once my hair is fully saturated with the oil mixture, I then do a gentle massage with the tips of my fingers to stimulate my scalp. I do this gentle massage to stimulate my scalp to improve blood circulation, which is important. I then sit under a hooded dryer for 15 minutes, and this is to further heat up the oil so that it will fully penetrate the hair shaft. I am now complete, and as you can see, my hair appears shinier and it is also soft. I then complete my wash day with shampoo. Walk good, and see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.